Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Aditya Orange and in this video we're going to learn about GroupBy. So GroupBy means arranging the data or putting the rows or records into particular group on the basis of records having same value. Okay, so let's see here. We have data of cricket matches. So each row indicates one cricket match, in which city it occurred, in what level of stadium it occurred, and what was the profit. So level 1 stadium being the biggest stadium, level 3 being the smallest stadium. So let's say if we wanted to find total profit in all the cricket matches, so that is simple, we can do by using aggregate function on the data frame. How would we do that? So b dot, so we don't need to find total profit. So profit, selecting the profit column and then applying the aggregate function, which is sum. So we get 67.5, which is sum of all the profits. So this was simple, but how we can find city wise total profit? So total profit in each city. So for Mumbai, what was the total profit? For Chennai, what was the total profit? So for that we need to use GroupBy. So we will create group for each city. So on which value we are creating groups? On the value of city. So keep that in mind. So what is the syntax for that? Let's save the groups in X. Okay, b dot group by, we are using city column. Okay, so in city we are storing the groups, in X we are storing, and on the basis of city column we are creating groups. So for, see, we have for 8 rows, no? So for 4 rows of Mumbai and 4 rows of Chennai. So one group will be created in which all the records of Mumbai will be there, and in another group for Chennai all the records of Chennai will be there. So now if I see X is a group, so we have to read through this group. Okay, so it has two data set. One is the value on which the group is created and the group for that value. So for Mumbai, and this is Mumbai's group, this is Chennai, this is Chennai's group. So two values we have to read through this. So how we can go through it? Using for loops. So let's have I go through the city and j go through the group of that city. In X, print I, print j. So if we do this, so first I is printed, which is city. So for Chennai city we printed I, and then j went through its group, which is this. So Chennai has its group 4 rows, then Mumbai and its group. Okay, so X had the groups created using this command b dot group by, and on city we are creating groups. See, so on the basis of city we created groups. So let's see if we wanted to create groups on the basis of city as well as level of stadium also. So let's say you were asked to find total profit for each city, so we will use this data, and on each group we will apply the aggregate function. So we will see that. Now if you are asked to find total profit for each level of stadium in each city, so for each level of stadium what was the total profit? So for level 1 stadium, let's say there are 10 level 1 stadiums, so for all the 10 level 1 stadium what was the total profit in Mumbai city? Same, all the level 1 stadium in Chennai city, what was the total profit? So this would give me total profit for Mumbai city, including all the level of stadium. So level 1, 2, 3. But for each level wise, how we can group the data? So same, we will use this command, but instead of city, we will give city as well as level also. Okay. So my data is created. Now if I go through this, see, for city 1, Chennai and level 1 stadium. Okay, so this group is created which has this 4th and 5th row. So Chennai level 1, Chennai level 1. Second group is created, Chennai and level 2. Third group is created, Chennai level 3. Fourth group, Mumbai and level 1. And Mumbai and level 2. So by giving city as well as level, we are telling the system to create groups like this. So for each unique value of city as well as level, we will have one group. So for Mumbai and level 1, is there anything which has Mumbai and level 1? Yes. There is one more row. There are two rows. Those two rows will be, or two records will be in one group. Next, Mumbai and level 2. Is there anything with Mumbai and level 2? Yes, there is. So Mumbai and level 2, these two records will be in one group. Same Chennai and level 1. Yes, there are two rows. Chennai and level 2. There is only one row, so that row will be in its own group. Chennai and level 3 also will be in its own group. So see, Chennai 1, 2 rows. Chennai 2, only 1. Chennai 3, 1. Mumbai 1, 2. Mumbai 2. Mumbai and level 2, 2 rows. So if we see the original data, Mumbai 1, 2. Mumbai 2, 2. Chennai 1, 1. Chennai 2, Chennai 3. So that's how we created the groups. Okay. Now how can we apply aggregate function on this? So so this was by city. Okay. So on that, if we apply sum, so we will get, see, this is only city. I went one step before. So 4 rows for Chennai, 4 rows for Mumbai. So city wise total profit is this. So for Chennai 31, Mumbai 36. And we can do total profit was this. What was the maximum profit? We can do this. So max was Chennai 15 crores, Mumbai 21 crores. What is the minimum? We can do this. Minimum 2 crore, minimum 0.5 crore. What is the median? Same. So we can, like this, we can apply all the functions. Okay. So on the group. Now, so level wise and city wise total profit. So for each city, for each type of stadium in each city, what is the total profit? So for that we will do this. Okay. So for Chennai and level 1 stadium, we have 27 crore total profit. Chennai level 2, 4 crore total profit. Chennai level 3, half crore total profit. Mumbai level 1, 31 crore total profit. Level 2, this. Okay. Same way, maximum, minimum, we can apply all the functions. So this is how you can do group by on the data. Now let's say you wanted to see maximum, minimum, average, sum, all at the once. See, we can see one by one, or we can do at once also. So for that we have GroupBy.agg function. So in this function we need to pass our aggregate functions which we want to see on the data. So multiple functions we are passing, so we will pass the functions inside list. So first is sum, let's say sum, comma max, comma min, comma median. So median is not there. So these are the default functions. So inbuilt Python functions. So if they are not inbuilt functions, you can use numpy function also. So I have imported numpy as n. So n dot mean, comma n dot median, comma n dot var. If I do this, so I get for Chennai level 1, the total profit is this, sum, maximum is this, minimum is this, mean, median is this, variance is this. So variance is for multiple values, for single values there is no variance. Okay. So for Chennai level 2 there is only one record in the group, so no variance. This way we can find multiple aggregate functions or multiple analysis at once. Okay. So next we will see there's also groups property. So b dot group by this and dot groups will show us all the groups created. So Chennai and 1, level 1 is one group on the basis of city and level we are doing. So Chennai and 1 is one group which has 4th and 5th index rows. Chennai 2 has only 6th index row. Chennai 3 has 7 index row. Mumbai 1 has 0 and 3rd index rows. Mumbai 2 has 1 and 2 index rows. Okay. So this property we can use to see all the groups, or we can use the for loop to iterate over the all the groups. Okay. Next is get underscore group, or inside we have to pass the value. So let's say I just wanted to see a group of Mumbai. So b dot group by city will create a group for Mumbai as well as Chennai if we had more city for all those cities as well. So for Hyderabad 1 city, Punjab 1 city. Okay. So inside if I pass Mum inside this, so if we see the group of Mumbai. Okay, same way if we pass ch, we will see for this. So get group function we can use to get the group of particular value. So ch, so we are grouping on city column, so one of the values of city we need to pass. So that group we will see in the result. So get group, groups, and how we can apply aggregate functions, one aggregate function at a time, multiple aggregate function at a time. So go through this one more time. If you have any difficulties, share in the comments below and I will try to answer all your queries. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.